Hello everyone and welcome to Hello Word. I'm Alex and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we explore another fascinating word in the English language. Today's word is device. So what exactly is a device? Well, simply put, a device is a tool or gadget that's made or adapted for a particular purpose. Think of it as something that helps you do something, often something a little bit complicated or technical. It's a noun, and you'll hear it used all the time in everyday conversations. For instance, your phone is a device, a computer is a device, and even a simple kitchen appliance like a toaster could be considered a device. Now, let's explore some synonyms for device. Instead of saying device, you could use the word tool. For example, the mechanic used a special tool to fix the engine. Another synonym is gadget. We often use gadget to describe small, often electronic, devices. For instance, I bought a new kitchen gadget that makes smoothies. We can also use the word appliance, particularly when talking about things in the home. All of our kitchen appliances are energy efficient. Another useful synonym is instrument. We might say, a surgeon uses many different instruments during an operation. Finally, consider the word machine. The washing machine broke down, so I had to wash my clothes by hand. These words all share a similar meaning to device, but each has slightly different nuances in how they are used. Now, let's think about antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of device. One opposite could be something natural or organic. Think about your own body. It is not a device. For instance, instead of relying on a walking device, he uses his natural strength to walk. Similarly, we could think of a plant. A plant is not a device. It grows naturally. The farmer relied on natural rainfall, not an irrigation device. Another contrasting idea is something manual, meaning done by hand without any tools or machines. For example, instead of using a cleaning device, she cleaned the floor manually. The carpenter prefers manual tools over power devices. We can also contrast a device with a simple action or a skill. She relies on her memory, not a recording device, to remember important dates. Or consider innate ability, meaning something you are born with. He solved the problem using his innate intelligence, not a calculating device. Finally, consider the word unassisted. Instead of using a walking device, he walked unassisted. So, how can we use the word device in everyday life? Well, think about all the technology around you. You might say, my phone is my most important device. Or, I need to charge my device before I leave the house. You could also use it in a more general way, like, this new device will make our lives much easier. Here are some example sentences and phrases. He invented a new device for cleaning windows. The doctor used a medical device to examine the patient. She installed a security device to protect her home. The device malfunctioned and stopped working. This device is very user-friendly. What kind of electronic devices do you own? The device helps to monitor air quality. He is skilled at repairing electronic devices. Always follow the safety instructions when using a device. The company developed a new device for measuring blood pressure. That device simplifies the process of making coffee. They are testing the new device for its effectiveness. The detective found a listening device in the room. This device is essential for completing the task. Please switch off all electronic devices during the meeting. The school provides each student with a learning device. The technician is repairing the faulty device. This small device can translate languages in real time. A GPS device helps with navigation. The company is investing in new manufacturing devices. We use device in countless situations to refer to tools, gadgets, and machines. To sum up, a device is a tool or gadget designed for a specific purpose. We explored synonyms like tool, gadget, appliance, instrument, and machine, as well as antonyms like natural, manual, and innate. Remember, device is a versatile word that you'll hear and use frequently in your daily life. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave us a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. Now, for a fun challenge, create your own sentence using the word device and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep practicing your English.